Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at some more things on that 69 Ford van. We're going to get it cleaned up, take a look at the brakes, see if everything's working right in the brakes. Well, we know it's not. The pedal goes to the floor, but we're going to take a look at that and figure out what's going on with that. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. You know it's time to start pedaling when the dogs wake up. Hey, beast. There's the van. Figured I'd take you guys back here and show you the creek. We got a really good rain last night, and it's flowing down through here pretty good. Definitely not as high as I've seen it before, but there's some good water running through here today. Alright, close. Alright, just let up and do it again. I'm getting a lot of air out of here.
I'm getting a lot more, but as much as it had before, but it did a little this time.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Ooh, there's a lot more now. Alright. That was good. That was a good one right there.
Alright, it's closed. Yeah, we're getting somewhere on this. Alright guys, I'll show you what it looks like under the van. You can see this thing is super clean. Oop, almost fell down. Alright guys, we're going to pull the wheels off this van and just take a look at the brakes and see what kind of condition they're in and to see if it needs anything. A little warm as well. While we're waiting for that to cool a little bit, I'm going to show you something underneath that I found the other day, just taking a look at it. So everything in the steering seemed pretty good, with the exception of this thing right here. You can see that thing is in kind of rough shape. I'm struggling to find the component for that. I don't know what that's called or what the deal is with it. I'll show you what it kind of looks like up here. It goes up here and then it goes up to here. So I'm trying to find some Econoline van clubs and things like that so I can figure out what's going on with that or what I need to do to repair that. So just figured I'd show it to you. So I'm going to wait for the brakes to cool and then we'll get back at them. Looks like this just had brakes done on it. Everything's still in really good shape. Everything's basically new. So I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and put it back together. The drum looks really good as well. Alright, I'm real curious how these bumpers are going to clean up, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean them up just for the fun of it so I can see what I get. Got a little generic turtle wax chrome polish I'm going to use. Just go over them real fast. definitely, there's some room for improvement, but it's way better than it was. I'm real happy with the way they're cleaning up. Let's go try the back. Alright, that's kind of a quick job, but as you can tell, that looks a whole world difference. It's actually not too bad at all. I'll definitely do it again though and clean it up even a little more. So looks good. Now we'll move on to the inside. I was just mainly curious about that, but we'll move on to the inside and start to get that cleaned up. Alright, let's do like we always do and give this thing a bath. All cleaned up on the outside. Now time to vacuum it out. I did the seats already and the side panels and stuff like that, so I just have to vacuum it. Alright, I think we pretty much got this cleaned up. I know there's really a long way to go yet, and I'll hit that as I get a few minutes. But anyway, here it is. It looks pretty good. The one thing I think I'm going to have to do is the carburetor is leaking a little bit of gas right there, and so I think I'm going to have to get a carb kit for it and rebuild the carburetor. Shouldn't be a big deal. But anyway, for the most part, this thing runs pretty good, and I mean it's amazingly clean. I haven't seen a vehicle this clean in a long time. It's really pretty cool. It's even got all 4 hubcaps on it. Too bad this isn't like a 69 Charger RT being this nice. brake work makes me want to take a break. I know. Anyway, let's go take a look at a 68L Camino. The owner wants me to figure out what engine's in it, so let's go do that. My buddy stopped by Up-N-Runnin with his 68L Camino. I figured I'd show it to you guys. Someone over there making some racket. Fire this thing up real quick. Sounds pretty good. Alright, we're just going to run this El Camino down the road a little bit. It's a pretty nice day, so I figured why not? Let's take it out. Alright guys, the owner of this car wanted me to find out what this engine was and what it was out of and a little bit of the background of it just so he knew. He has no idea what it's from or what size it is or anything like that. So there's a couple of things that we're going to take a look at. The first thing is on the very front of the engine. It's going to be right here on this pad right here, and what we need to look at is what the code is on that pad, and in this case it's T0330EI. It's extremely difficult to read, so I'm sure it's not going to show up on camera, but basically what that comes back to is the Tonawanda engine plant, 3rd month of the year, 30th day. And then the EI stands for a 327 4-barrel, 250 horsepower, and a power glide. There's another place on this engine where we can get some information, and that is way back over here. And I think I'm going to have to get the flashlight to see this. So hold on one second. Okay, and that code is going to be right back there. I'm not 100% sure if this is going to come out legible, but you can kind of see it right there. I think that'll show up right there. And it's 3914660, and basically that comes back to a 68 327 with a 4-barrel 250 horsepower as well. So that looks like what he's got in here. Hope that helped. A lot of this information is available online. I've got lots of books with information in it as well, but if nothing else, there's a plethora of information available online. I hate to do this on a day like today. You know, it's not really that nice out unless you like it, 85 and sunny, but we're going to take the El Camino for another little drive. I know, it's too bad, isn't it? Here we go. Oh, I'm hating life right now. This is terrible. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down and enjoy my ride. Catch you guys later. Alright, thanks for watching. Next time we'll hopefully wrap up the 1969 Ford van and we'll move on to something else. So, thanks for watching. Alright, thanks for watching another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Okay, here we go. We're going to start again. Alright, thanks for watching another episode of Up-N-Runnin. And be sure to hit the light. Oh, I thought I was past that. The like button.